Hey folks, I have a tenor to show you today, and this one is the raffle instrument for Manuka Ukulele Camp this year. So it will be available to a lucky winner, and the money goes to Manuka Retreat and Conference Center. So this is kind of a twin to the one we made for Spencer. The only difference with this one is it's alder for top, back, and sides. So this is alder from the firewood pile at Manuka. And alder's kind of like a lightweight hardwood, kind of like birch or cherry. And it's commonly grown in Oregon, but I don't see it much in my trade or available to furniture makers. It's kind of like used for a lot of cabinet making and stuff. But anyway, I'd like to get my hands on more of it because I'm really pleased with how it sounds. It's kind of a simple, focused, direct sound that I really like. So the neck is also alder. Then we've got walnut for the whole rest of the instrument, and that's from a piece of walnut from Spencer's barn. And we have a little labyrinth carved into the headplate in honor of the labyrinth at Manuka. So it's very lightweight, it's really easy to play, and I like this cheerful, direct sound. So if I can get my hands on a few more boards of alder, that would be awesome, because I'd be happy to offer this. So that's number 953. Cheers.